So, we're about to go outside in the hurricane. You like my baby pajamas?
And my dad shoes.
Ready? Oh, never mind. Everything's moving. Look. It's crazy. Ready? Time. Ready? Let's run. I'm nervous. I think I did. If something flies at me, I'm gonna freak out. This is okay. Look, the leaves are everywhere. Oh my god. It's getting crazy. Oh well. I just want to look. Let's see what's going on out here. Just rain. Nothing bad. Nothing. There's a pool. And yeah. It's just rain. I'm just dead. Look, it's not that bad. My backyard. Alright, well there's your update on Hurricane Sandy. Bye!